Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to use NoteBookLM for research. So let's get straight into it. First thing first, you will log in to your profile, and after that, we can choose here create new notebook. It will open up the window, pop-up window, where we can choose whatever. We have links right here to the YouTube video from our Google Workspace on Drive. We can also copy text and put in, but we can also give pictures in and PDFs. So I will go with this PDF. I will put it in. It will analyze it here on the left side, as you can see. It will load up, and here we have on the middle chat and studio on the right side right over here. It will take a little bit to get this PDF ready to use. So now, as you can see here, it loads up and we have one source right now. In chat, we have here now these innovation efficiencies in Europe, solar and wind sectors. So this is this source right here. And now that we don't read the whole PDF, we can ask here, let's say, one of these questions, or if we have one of our own, we can type it right in here and it will search up. So I will just go with this one that we quickly show you how it does this thing. It will read through this and it will then type it out like that. Now here I can show you the source we have here, and basically all pages, including with some pictures and that stuff. This is our source. But now, as you can see, we can further question him. So let's go with that one, and it will tell us more about this question. So this is how we can use this NoteBookLM for research. So I hope this video helped you out a little bit. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.